How to log in to Kimi AI existing account. Hi everybody, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today we are going to learn how you can get access to your existing Kimi AI account super quick and easy. First of all, launch open the Kimi AI app on your device. In the welcome screen of Kimi, go ahead and choose the login method you want to get started with. You can choose to continue with Google or phone number. Since I created an account with phone number, I'm just going to tap on the phone number login button. Now click on the agree button in the pop-up and then enter your credential. On the next page, type in your phone number and click on verify and login. Don't forget to select your country code before entering your phone number. And now you'll receive a verification code sent to you via SMS or WhatsApp. Go ahead and write down the code that you received in the text box. You'll then be able to log in successfully to your Kimi AI account. That's how you super easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.